I'm gonna keep it a buck. You trying to have sex? Oh, you look mad old. Oh my god. Hello?
Hey.
What's up? What you doing? Wait, hold up. What you just said? What you just said?
Nothing.
Yo, nah. Did you just? She just called me daddy. She dead ass just called me daddy. Yo,
Hey, yo.
yo, what's up? Yo, no funny. Just keeping it a buck. Would you have sex with me, bro?
Huh?
Would you have sex with me?
Oh.
Why not? At time. Yo, at time, bro. Yo,
Hello.
I'm gonna keep it a buck. You trying to have sex? Oh, you look mad old. Oh my god. Oh, I look like a granny. Yo, yo, who's 16 and up? Who's 16 and up? All right, yo, you trying to have sex? Word? Bet when? When? Yo, they playing, man. Yo, I'm gonna keep it a buck. You trying to have sex? What's up, my nigga?
What up?
What up? What the fuck is on your head, bro?
What, nigga?
What the hell is on your head? Are you African?
What the fuck you look like, nigga?
I don't know, nigga. I'm not African. What the? Yeah, nigga, I'm not African, nigga. No racist shit, but I'm not African. How the fuck I know what that is?
We're 2 years old, man.
Cool, man.
I know, right?
Right? Facts. What,
You're not.
like, where the teenagers at? Oh, y'all mad little. I'm not out of town. Fuck y'all. I'm not out of town. Oh, yo, you pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it a buck though. You trying to have sex?
Huh?
You trying to have sex? Bro, they're getting me tight, bro. They're getting me tight. Yo, I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna keep it a buck. You trying to have sex? Both of y'all trying to have sex? Yo, y'all trying to have sex, bro? Yo,
What's up?
yo, if I ask you, can we have sex? Would you?
No,
Why not?
because I don't want to lose my virginity.
Girl, stop playing. Yo,
Yo.
can I ask you a question?
Hmm?
Can I ask you a question?
What?
If I asked you to have sex, would you? Why?
Because you're ugly.
Heard it. Heard it. Now watch when I get big in life and I start looking sexy. She gonna tell me, "Oh my God, Kid Didi, you so sexy. Oh my God." Yo,
Yo, what's up?
what's up? Yo, if I asked you to have sex with me right now, would you?
What?
If I asked you to have sex with me right now, would you?
Mm,
Bro, that's a yes, bro. That's a yes. Yo, yo. You trying to let me kill? I'm gonna keep it a buck. Like you trying to let me kill? Why? Tired of y'all, man. I don't need to add time. Yo,
yo.
you trying to let me kill, bro?
Nah.
Why? Like,
Now you a grown ass man.
how old are you? At time. All right, I'm 18. Like, I just turned 18 too. Like, what's up?
Yeah.
What you mean, nah? Yo,
I ain't with that.
y'all always be freaky in the inbox and shit. But when it comes down time to do something, y'all all afraid and shit. Like, I don't understand y'all females, bro.
Show you me.
Whoa, what? You asked me to show my meat? Nah, that's not happening. Show something. You show something.
Alright, you gotta do yours first.
Nah, I'm Gucci, bro. I'm Gucci.
Exactly, I'm Gucci too.
Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna keep it a buck. You wanna have sex, bro? Why not? Look at you. So, but look at you, like you looking scrumptious. Come on. Yo, why she playing with me, man? Yo. That time. Yo, I can't. Yo, show yourself real quick. What do you mean, why? Just show yourself real quick. What's up with you, man? Y'all run with them gal, man. Yo, come back. Why you hiding for? Yes, you are. Yo, come in the camera, bro. Sit your ass down and talk. Let's go. That's the reason to be no monkey. What's up with you? Damn. All right. Let's see why you hiding. Yo, no funny. Like you trying to let me kill? Yo, I got this strong. All right. Shoot. I don't know. Are you playing with me? Ain't no shame in my game. Ain't no shame in my game. Man. Yo. I look ugly now, but I could kill. Yo, I could kill. Yo. I could kill. Oh my God, man. Hey. Yo, at time. Yo, get this little nigga on my face. At time. Yo, shut your Mexican looking ass up. Yeah, you see that? She shut his ass down. Damn. Yo. Hold on, y'all. Who's the oldest one? Who's the oldest? Who's the oldest one there? How old are you?
14.
Oh, fuck. Never mind.
How old are you?
I'm 81. Flip it.
Oh, 18?
Yeah. I had a question, but y'all too young. I can't ask y'all.
This is a question. Rate her from 1 to 10. Why you can't rate you from 1 to 10?
Rate her from 1 to 10.
Yes, 1 to 10.
Rate her from 1 to 10.
Yes, rate her from 1 to 10.
Well, mega rate her. Mega give her a damn. Me no.
Stop. Don't use the accent, please.
Don't use the accent, please, huh?
You come from Jamaica?
Yeah, me come from Jamaica. Where you come from, Guyana? Where you come from, Guyana?
Come from St. Croix.
From where?
St. Croix. USVI.
Oh, the Virgin Islands. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, sound like it.
Huh?
So how is it there? How is it? It hot?
Yes.
It hot you fuck over here too? It's hot over here too?
Which part?
Which part where? Where? Me in New York. New York, me there. New York.
Oh.
It hot. It burn up. It hot. What?
I thought it would have been snowing. It's just really summer.
At damn summertime, where you snow for?
Exactly.
A damn idiot. At summertime, it now go snow. It's go hot. With you, my girl. Yo, Eta, me gone. Friggin' idiot. Yo. The fuck? Did you know it's not good?
Boy, you ugly as hell.
Yeah, well, damn, nigga. Shit. Be more polite. You ugly yourself. Ugly ass. I'm tired of everybody calling me ugly, bro. I'm not ugly. I might take these ugly ass twists out my head, bro. Yo. Yeah, I'm looking chopped right now, but don't judge me.
I ain't gonna judge. Say cheese real quick.
What?
Say cheese.
Cheese?
Ooh, you got some cheese.
Huh?
Okay.
Yo. Oh! You trying to release that? Yo, add time. Add time, girl. Nobody get to see I clickbaited again. Who's telling me what? Yo. Yo, if I ask you, can we have sex? Can we? Yo. Yo. Your mother. Don't try to come for me if you ugly yourself. Look at you, looking all pixel and shit. Looking all pixel. Yo.
Okay.
If I asked you, can we have sex? Can we?
Where you from?
I'm in New York.
That's from me.
If she asks where you from, that's a yes.
Hey, DeAndre.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, you sound like a fish.
What happened?
You sound like a fish, no offense.
You said, what? I time.
Batiman. No offense though. I'm not homophobic. Yo.
Hey.
I'm gonna keep it a buck. If I ask y'all to have sex, would y'all? Why not? Yo, what's up, man?
What's up?
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, no. Y'all try. You wanna have sex? What do you mean? You wanna have sex? Why? Yo, what wrong with them female, man? Bombard star. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. You wanna have sex?
What?
You want to have sex? Why? Yo, no, always I talk about no know me, but yet still girls always I do one night stand. We don't understand this raw.
Hey.
Wagwan.
You said what?
Wagwan.
Add some time.
Me say wagwan.
Wine.
I said wagwan.
Wine.
Jesus the Lord, oh my God. I said wagwan. Meaning what's up?
I don't know what that means. That's how I was asking.
It mean what's up? What's up? How you doing?
Because I don't know what that means, dude.
Well, now you know. Now you learn the Jamaican word.
Are you Jamaican?
Yeah. Now you learned something. Jesus. You was looking mad confused. I don't know, because everybody know what wagwan is. Like,
No, I know. Not everybody does.
yeah, mostly everybody know what wagwan means. Like, if once you hear wagwan, you know it's a Jamaican thing. Like,
New York,
I don't know. Where the hell you live?
Missouri. You live in New York.
Missouri. Boy, that is so unknown. Missouri. What?